Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So sine 2x, that is about 2 sine x cosine x. So we need to transform this one into this one. So number 9 and number 2, we have 18. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to number 2 plus cosine x, because we have cosine x. So I will put number 2 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we have number 1. This one we have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so that's it from here. Now I will put this one cone here, and we can find the value of u equals to number 3 when s equals to b over 2. So I will put b over 2 cone here, and we have u equals to number 2. So number 0 we change for number 3. b over 2 we change for number 2. This one we change for u. Cosine x we change for u minus number 2. Sine x dx we change for negative du. Next, u divided by u, we have number 1. Number 2 divided by u, we keep the same. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, that is about u. The next one, that is about negative number 2 Fn of the absolute value of u. And now we need to put the bounds from number 3 to number 2. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 2 cone here, number 3 cone here. So we need to calculate this one, and we have, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.